Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Thanks for coming back, and we've got a little tractor maintenance to do today, and it's all about GearWrench, so stick around. And am I super excited to share these with you today. These will get a lot of use out here on the ranch, and we will get into some of that here just shortly. This is a 1/2 inch set, 27 piece. We're going to take a look at these sockets a little closer. Lifetime warranty. There's your part number, 84949N. Again, that's 84949N. 27 piece set, comes in a case. Let's check it out. I know. Clips on the sides. And boom. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but these are oiled really, really well. Lots of oil. You can see the oil on the case lid. Again, there you are. My wife thinks I'm crazy. Perhaps I am, but here we are. We're going to start with the 10 millimeter all the way up to your 27, and then your 7/16 on your SAE side, plumb up to your 1.25 inch. Really nice set. Really nice set. So what we're going to do, we're going to randomly pick a few sockets out of here, and we're going to take a look at them up close. All right, folks, got the 15/16 GearWrench from our set, and never been used. Get a little bit of that dirt out there. Now it does have a bit of an edge on it when you run your finger in and pull out. It's got a lip. It's got a little bit of a. So we're going to wear that right off here in just a second. Not a super deep socket. Let's see if the light will pick that up. Not a really deep socket. 1.5 inch, maybe 1.25 inch. But we're going to get with it on this tractor. Here we go. We got a DeWalt DCF 899. It's our brushless high torque impact, and with a 4 amp hour battery, fully charged. And so let's get after it. All right, we're going to run a couple of these bolts out of this wheel. I'll tell you what, that socket fits that nut real well, or that bolt real well. Really well. Not a problem with that DeWalt. Let's run one more out. It won't hurt a thing. There we go. All right, let's take a close look, see what we've done here. Still got a little bit of that lip. Not bad. We'll get it up here on the workbench, take a look at it and some of the other sockets that haven't been used. All right. Let's go ahead and run those back in. And pardon the drips of sweat. It is really hot. And I have all the fans off, so won't be any background noise. All right. Make a run around. One nut must be a little rounded off or goofed up or something. That socket wants to stick to it. All right, we'll take a closer look up here. All right, everybody, this is our socket that we use. It's our 15/16, what we took the bolts and nuts off the tractor wheel with. There's just a hair bit of a lip left on this inside edge. I suppose part of the milling process. What's real nice is these notch outs. You know, I'm sure there's a technical name for it, but where it doesn't make contact with the corners of the bolt. So it only uses the flat sides. That's nice. Okay, so, you know, this wasn't a true test. Obviously, we just did this once. I ran it a couple other times in between, and I mean, this is going to be a great performer. There is just a little bit of, I call it squish, but where the anvil on the impact gun deforms this square, okay, from the torque. So, and that's clearly in the direction of tightening. Of course, generally we use a torque wrench once we want to run them up there, but it is a tractor. Okay, so I just pulled out a couple of random sockets, both metric, 27 and a 21 and a 13/16 and a 1 1/4. The bigger sockets do not have that lip at all. The smaller sockets have the lip, both metric and standard. Not a big deal, but does make it kind of stick on that nut a little bit, or bolt. And again, your big sockets are just as smooth as can be. Really nice. These are very nice sockets. And you can see here one that's not used. All of them have the detent pin hole. Anyway. Folks, that concludes the review of the 1/2-inch drive GearWrench 27-piece SAE and metric deep impact socket set. As always, we appreciate you tuning in. And if you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you like what we're doing, we'll keep doing it. We got a lot more cool content to come. And thanks.